Okay, I'm going to show you how to use will decide, WHEELDECIDE.com, on selecting, making choices, selecting names at random in your classroom. So you'll go to willdecide.com, scroll down, and you can type each student's name here individually if you have a list, or you can paste it here if you create a report and paste it. I have found that if you just do their first name and then maybe their last initial, if you have multiple of that same name, then it's better rather than doing like their first and last name. It gets really long and jumbled. So you can add the names here by bulk, and then when you are done, you can you can give it a title. So, for example, period 1 or morning class or whatever. I make it so it's just 1 second to spin. I don't need to wait all this time to have it spin, but you can change the length of the spin. All these other things I don't worry about myself. And then click Apply Will Changes. And then now you want to save this will to use regularly. And so if you go up to bookmarks, and you can save it as a bookmark, clicking on the star, and then you can create a bookmark that's called Will Decide or Student Selector or Student Randomizer or something like that for period 1 or 2 or whatever period you are using it for, and then save it, and then you have that. And then you can pull it up and use it day by day or week by week, and use it regularly as you like. If you want to make any changes to it, you can just come down and make changes. You can change names or delete names or add names here, and then you click Apply Will Changes and then save it again in the bookmarks. This is having some ads, so if you go to Ad Blocker and download this extension, then that will help with removing the ads. Hope that helps.